Hi, my name is Tomasz Fechner. I come originally from Poland. I live in Los Angeles and I am a classical guitarist. I come from a family where I was the first person to do music in general. Actually, it started by accident. I just really enjoyed watching MTV, and one day when I went on a walk with my mom, we noticed that the local school of music was recruiting students. At first, even though I really enjoyed it, I don't think I was particularly good at this. However, from the very first moment when my teacher showed me that I can play more than one line at the time, I really got into it. I started practicing and I discovered all the harmonic possibilities that classical guitar have. And at a certain point, I just couldn't imagine my life without it. What I really love about the guitar is that you really have this personal connection with your instrument. This guitar, for example, comes from our friends from Guitar Salon International. What I've noticed is that every guitar is different and every guitar is beautiful. In my opinion, the guitar is like a small orchestra. You can take an active participation in the creation of the sound. You literally feel this sound under your fingers. I think this is my favorite aspect about the classical guitar. I did my bachelor degree and my first master's degree in Poland. When I finished studies in Poland, I was getting ready to study in Los Angeles at the University of Southern California. If I could say a few words to beginners, I would say we are doing this because it's supposed to be fun. The most important thing is to have fun with it. After all these years, I am still on my musical journey. When you're ready to begin yours, I'll be here to help you. I'm Tomasz Fechner, classical guitarist.